Now students, today we will start with the some new problems of 7.3 exercise related to your permutation. Now in question number 8, how many words with or without meaning can be formed from the letter of word equation? The letter of word is given as equation and condition is using each letter exactly once. और हर एक लेटर को आपने एक बार यूज करना है exactly once. So see how to solve this. The total number of letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total letters are 8 and you have to arrange by using each letter exactly once. So therefore the total base can be written as by using ones, that is 8p8. Now how to solve this? 8p8, that is equal to 8 factorial upon n minus r, that is 8 minus 8 factorial can be written as 8 factorial, 0 factorial is 1. So therefore you simplify this, that is 8 into 7, 6 into 5, 4 into 3 and into 2 into 1. Then on simplification you write it as, you just multiply the two terms, that is 30 and into 24. Okay, now keep it this 0 in one place, multiply this as 5 6 into 7 2, that is 720, multiply 56 and 720 and we get that is equal to 40320 are the total number of bases. Now this is question number 8. Now after this 8 I will start with the next, that is question number 9. How many words with or without meaning can be formed from the letter of word that is Monday? Monday. This is question number 9 of exercise 7.3. The first case is, in first case, 4 letters are used at time. When we use 4 letters, total letters are 6. When we use 4 letters at a time, so therefore total base will be 6p4, and that is 6 factorial upon n minus r factorial, that is equal to 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. Simplify this, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial and upon 2 factorial, this cancel, therefore we left with 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 and multiply this, that is equal to 30 into 12, that means 360. So these are the total base in first case when all 4 letters are to be used. And in this same problem we have in the second case, that is all letters are used at a time. In second case, when we use all the letters, therefore the total base will be 6p6. This can be written as 6 factorial upon 6 minus 6, that is 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. This becomes 6 factorial. Now simplify this, that is 6 into 5, 4, 3 and 2. Need not write on 1. This can be written as 30 into 12 into 2. That means you multiply this as 24 and 24 3 720 and total base in second case will be 720. Now the students, after this second part we have in the third part of this question, that is the Monday, and all letters are used but first letter is vowel. Now you see the all letters are used and first letter is the first letter, all letters are used and first letter is vowel. तो फर्स्ट लेटर वॉवल लेना है, तो कैसे? यू हैविंग दैट वॉवल्स, दैट इज ए एंड ओ आर टू वॉवल्स इन दिस वर्ड गिवन मंडे. नाउ द फर्स्ट लेटर इज वॉवल, देयरफॉर द टू कैन बी अरेंज्ड इन टू ways. You see, either you start the word with either a or by u, means there are two vowels and out of these two vowels the first place can be filled in two ways. So there are total 2 ways to fill up the first word letter with the vowels and the remaining 5. Total are 1 2 3 4 5 6. आपने इसमें से 1 यूज कर लिया, अब रिमेनिंग 5 कैन बी अरेंज्ड इन 5p5 ways. The remaining 5, उस remaining 5 में एक vowel भी होगा, all in 5p5 way. तो therefore in this case the total ways will be 2 to arrange the 2 vowels in 2 ways and 5p5. That implies 2 as it is. 5p5 is 5 factorial and this can be as 2 into 5, 4 and 3 and 2 into 1, and students remember this, the result of this is 120, this becomes 240. So these are the total ways when the two vowels are, means the first letter is a vowel in this question. Now students, after this 9th I will start with the question number 10. It's very important. How many of the distinct permutations of the letter of word that is Mississippi, MISSI, the letter of word is Mississippi. Do all the 4 I not come together? The condition is no, do all the 4 I not come together. So how many of the distinct permutations of the letter of word Mississippi? And you see in the Mississippi total number of letters are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 11. So total letters are 11. You know that is total letter are 11. But these 4 I's, जो I हमारे पास यहाँ पर 4 है, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 I's are not come together. ये I's not come together है, मीन्स ये इकट्ठी नहीं आनी चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसके टोटल वेज लिखता हूँ. टोटल आर 11 लेटर्स एंड इन 11 लेटर में से 4 I's not come together. तो मैं पहले सबसे पहले इसके टोटल वेज लिखता हूँ. तो कैसे, दैट इज टोटल वेज. Total ways of this will be 11 factorial, okay, 11 factorial, and divide the letters where on repetition, that is 4 I are repeating 4 times, S I 4 repeated 4 times, and P 2 times. So therefore on simplifying this, that is 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. And in the denominator you see, did not write this up to 4 factorial, and this is 4 factorial, and another is 4 into 3 into 2 and into 2 factorial is 2. This 4 to 4 factorial cancel. First of all I am writing the total base. Then the question is, do the 4 I not come together? तो कैसे, देखिए बेटा, इसके बाद ये 11 as it is, this 2, this becomes 3 or 2, that is 6 cancel. Now 4 to 8 cancel. Now we have with 11 and 10 and 9 and 7 and 5. So therefore on simplifying this can be written as 110 and into 63 and into 5. Okay, and you have to simplify this. On simplification, this will gives you the result, that is that is 34650. 34650 are the total ways to arrange the letter Mississippi, different letters of word of Mississippi. Means you may write it as 55 into 63, and this 0 will multiply later on. First of all multiply this and multiply then with 0. The total ways are this. Now the question is, the 4 I not come together. Then after that, when 4 I's come together, when 4 I's come together, अगर ये सारे के सारे I जो है इकट्ठी आ जाती है, when 4 I's come together, अगर 4 I इकट्ठी आ जाती है तो हमारे पास इन 4 का एक बॉक्स बन जाएगा. These are the 4 I and treated as one box. अब टोटल मेरे पास जो लेटर है that is 11. इस 11 में से 4 चले जाएंगे तो क्या रह जाएंगे, 7 रह जाएंगे। लेकिन इन 4 आइज को 1 बनाना है तो +1 हो जाएगा, तो टोटल हमारे पास क्या रह जाएंगे, 8 लेटर हो जाएंगे व्हेन द 4 आइज कम टुगेदर। जब सारे की सारी आइज इकट्ठी आ जाएगी तो इसके में व्हेन 4 आइज कम टुगेदर तो इसके टोटल बेस कितने बनेंगे, दैट इज 8 फैक्टोरियल एंड 4s एंड 2p। ओके, एंड यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस, 8 7 6 5 and 4 factorial, 4 to 4 factorial cancel, and upon 2, that is 4 factorial cancel upon 2, this becomes 28, this 4 and into 30, so that means the total base are, okay, that is multiply this by 3, 24 6 8, so total are 840 are the total base when all i's come together. What our question is, find the base when all i's not come together. So total base when all i's not come together, when all i's not come together, अगर i's इकट्ठी नहीं आती, not come together, will be 34650 minus of 840, 3460 and minus of 840, this will gives you the total base when all i's not come together. So these are the total base. Let's see once again. I am again telling you the letter word is Mississippi, total letters are 11 and the question is find the total base when not I come together. तो सबसे पहले हम केस निकालेंगे when they come together। तो टोटल अरेंजमेंट आपने सॉल्व करे, दैट इज 11 अपॉन डिवाइडेड बाय 4 फैक्टोरियल 4 and 2 एंड रिजल्ट इज दिस। देन व्हेन 4 आइज कम टुगेदर, जब सारी आई इकट्ठी आएंगी तो उनका एक बॉक्स बना दिया जाएगा, उनको एक ट्रीट करा जाएगा। 11 टोटल लेटर थे, उसमें 4 आई हटा दिए तो 7 रह जाएंगे, लेकिन 4 आई का 1 माना जाएगा तो टोटल बन जाएंगे 8। तो अरेंजमेंट बन जाएंगे 8 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 4 s are repeating and 2p are repeating, so total is 840. Therefore the result is when all i's not come together, that is total, and minus of when i's come together, तो हमारे पास नेट रिजल्ट आ जाएगा। ओके, on the same way I will start with the next, that is question number 11 of your NCERT book. This is again very important question. The question is how many ways the letter word permutations, PERMUTATIONS, permutations. In how many ways letter of word permutation be arranged if word start with P and end with S? तो पहले केस में है वो स्टार्ट P से करता है एंड S में करता है, तो therefore the total letters, we count total letter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, so total letters are 12. In 12 में से the first case is start with P and end with S, तो P से स्टार्ट करता है, S में एंड करता है, तो टोटल अरेंजमेंट हमें कितने करने हैं, 10 लेटर्स को अरेंज करना है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट प्लेस फिक्स है P के साथ और लास्ट वाला प्लेस भी फिक्स है किसके साथ, S के साथ। You have to arrange in between the total 10 letters. Now the total base will be 10 factorial upon, अब इसमें से कौन रिपीट करता है, P repeating 2 times, तो 2 factorial and you solve it and get the result. And second case, first case is start with P and end with this. Now the second case is vowels are all together. Vowels are all together. अब सब vowels इकट्ठे करने तो कैसे देखें, इन सेकंड केस vowels are together, तो vowels कौन कौन से हैं हमारे पास, यहाँ पर कौन कौन सा आता है, vowels are come together, तो E भी है, U भी है, A भी है, I भी है और O भी है, means all the vowels are there, E U A I O। ये 5 vowels जो हैं बोलता है all the vowels come together, ये सारे के सारे vowels इकट्ठे आने चाहिए। मैं क्या करूंगा, इन 12 में से 5 वोकल्स हटा दूंगा तो कितने रह जाएंगे, 7 रह जाएंगे। इन 7 में से इन 5 वोकल्स को 1 ट्रीट करा जाएगा तो +1 हो जाएगा, टोटल कितने अरेंजमेंट करने रह जाएंगे, 8। तो इसके टोटल बेस बन जाएंगे दैट इज 8 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन इसमें रिपीट कौन कर रहा है, T 2 times. Now the problem is you have to arrange the vowels itself. जो 5 के 5 vowels हैं वो भी आपस में अरेंज करने हैं. हो सकता है पहले U आ जाए फिर E आता है या कोई भी आ सकता है. तो therefore the total arrangement of these 5 vowels are 5 factorial. Hence you simplify this and get the result. So this is the case number 2. The third case, there are 4 letters between P and S. अब P और S के अंदर 4 लेटर आने चाहिए. तो P और S के अंदर 4 लेटर आते हैं. टोटल लेटर है ये 11. अगर मैं P फर्स्ट प्लेस में लिखता हूं तो देयर आर 1 2 3 and 4 लेटर्स एंड द S विल बी द 6th प्लेस. पहले P और 4 के बीच में 4 लेटर्स हैं तो P अगर फर्स्ट केस में है तो S आएगा 6 में. अगर P इन फर्स्ट तो S विल बी इन 6th. Similarly, if P in second, S will be in 7th, and so on, third, then 8th, 4th, then 9th and 10th. तो total जो ये बन जाएंगे. There are total 7 ways to arrange. There are 4 letters between P and S. तो P and S के बीच में जो 4 letters हैं, there are total 7 ways. Like this. अगर P फर्स्ट प्लेस पे है तो वो 6 पे आएगा. ये सेकंड पे है तो 7 पे आएगा. वो थर्ड पे है तो वो 8 पे आएगा. फोर्थ पे है तो 9 पे आएगा. हमारे पास टोटल 12 है तो देयर आर टोटल 7 ways. नाउ आफ्टर दैट द प्रॉब्लम इज you have to arrange the remaining 10 in 10 factorial ways. Now the problem is P and S. अब ये फिक्स नहीं है कि पहले P लेना है या S लेना है. इसमें से कोई भी पहले आ जाता तो P और S can be, P and S can be arranged. P and S can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. तो total जो arrangement है, the total arrangement will be 7. There are 4 letters between this and this. 2 to arranging P and S and remaining 10 letters. लेकिन इन 10 letters में ये भी चेक करना है कि repeat कौन करता है. तो T is repeating 2 times. तो therefore the total ways will be this. You have to solve this and get the result. Okay. See students again. The letter is permutations. Total letters are 12. The first case is there are the P is the first position and S is the last. So therefore total ways are 10 factorial and T is repeating 2 times. When vowels are considered 1, जब सारे के vowel इकट्ठे लिखे जाएंगे तो there are 4-5 vowels in this letter word. And total letters are 12. 12 में से 5 vowel चले जाएंगे तो 7 रह जाएंगे. लेकिन 5 vowel को 1 मानना है तो this becomes 8. अब आपको वो 8 अरेंज करने हैं लेकिन उसमें T 2 बार रिपीट करता है. डिवाइडेड बाय 2 into 5 means to arrange the 5 vowels itself in 5 factorial ways. The total ways you can find. Now the third case is there are 4 letters between P and S. P और S के अंदर अगर 4 लेटर आते हैं तो पहले केस में अगर P है तो ये आएगा 6th प्लेस में. दैट इज फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड. P फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स में S आ जाएगा. तो देयर आर 4 लेटर्स बिटवीन P and S. अगर P फर्स्ट प्लेस में तो S आएगा 6 में. यू सी 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. और अगर सेकंड में है तो 7th पे आएगा. ऑन सो ऑन वे टोटल 7 ways. देयर आर 4 letters between P and S. Then you have to arrange the remaining 10 in 10 factorial ways. And P and S also arranged in 2 ways, but the 10 are arranged in 10 factorial way, but 2 are repeating. P are repeating. So total ways are 7 into 2 into 10 factorial upon 2 factorial. So this is the way to solve the questions of this permutation exercise. This is all about your 7.3 exercise. In the next lecture, I will start with the new topic, that is combination.